Right there. They're supposed to yield right there, but they never do. So, Crackle Barrel is, I wouldn't say one of my favorite restaurants to go to, but I heard that they're changing the logo. Why not do that? I heard that Crackle Barrel is changing the logo. They're getting rid of the old man that's on there, and they want to try to modernize it. And I heard that it's upsetting a lot of people. I mean, me personally, I don't care. As long as, you know, they can kind of keep the menu the same and the inside of the store the same. You know, as soon as you walk in, how they have that big old store where you can buy a whole bunch of stuff, and they don't change too much of the menu. As long as they don't do any of that, but I could be wrong, and I probably am wrong, but I think Crackle Barrel is like one of the few restaurants where they really haven't changed their style that much. Like McDonald's from back in the day when I was a kid, it was actually a cool place to visit, you know? It wasn't so modernized. But whenever you go to McDonald's nowadays, it looks like a prison. It used to be all colorful and everything, and so it kind of makes me wonder. All Crackle Barrel said so far is all they're doing is changing the logo. That is it. But you know how corporate goes. Whenever they say they're going to change something, I guarantee you that the look at the building and stuff like that's going to change too. You know, we might as well stop and get gas while we're at it, because we're at a quarter of the tank. But yeah. So what's y'all guys' thoughts on Crackle Barrel changing its logo and they want to go more modernized? Y'all think it's a good idea? Because apparently, ever since they made that announcement, because it pissed a lot of people off, their stock has dropped too. So, I don't know. I don't know, man. It would have upset some people. Hey, we got a Grom. Even though it's a little bitty baby, huh? That's what I might do one day if I can get up enough money. I might buy an air horn for I might buy an air horn for my bike, and I'll have my cousin install it for me. He loves doing stuff like that. So I might put an air horn on the bike, just for the hell of it. I love that sound underneath that bridge. That's a cool car. We are at the gas station. So So I'm going to assume, because we're at a quarter of a tank, another $6. Another $6 is what we're going to spend. Skeet! Put a little bit further. Shut her off. No. Alright, can I reach it from here? Alright. Just fill her up. Alright, so what is the gas at? 569. I was close. 569. I think I just put it in neutral. We'll find out. Nope, not in neutral. Now it's in neutral. Ooh, 57 Bel Air. She is looking so way. That's a pretty looking car, man. See if we can catch up to it. I'm not gonna go too fast, but dang, man. I'm not gonna be able to say hi to him. I like your car. She had a good attitude. What in the world's going on, man? I like your car. Eliminator. If y'all can tell me what kind of car that is, I'm not 100% sure what that is. What kind of car is that? A Mustang? Oh, a Cougar. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. I know, that's why I got it. Man, this turned out to be a pretty chill ride. I'm glad I decided to strap the GoPro on. we got to say hi to some biker friends and look at two awesome, pretty cool cars. Not bad. That's the dude who was freaking riding my tail. So that was a cougar. I was trying to catch up to the Bel Air, but then that happened. Not a bad ride at all. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna edit this. But alright guys, we're gonna call it here. And I will catch y'all on the next video. So y'all have a good one.